With the rise of digital finance, money transfer apps have revolutionized the way we send and receive money, making transactions faster, easier, and more convenient than ever before. Whether you're splitting a bill with friends, sending money to family overseas, or making online purchases, there's a money transfer app to suit your needs. With the likes of some very popular apps like Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, Apple Pay, and many others, it's up to you to choose which one favors you more. Well, today, we will be taking a closer look at PayPal, and we'll be seeing how to withdraw money from PayPal easily. We will be back after the short intro. First of all, PayPal is a popular online payment platform that allows users to send and receive money electronically. It serves as an online alternative to traditional paper methods like checks and money orders. No wonder why people will think of an option to withdraw their funds when it enters their account. To withdraw money from your PayPal account, you can follow these steps. 1. Log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet tab located at the top of the page. 3. Under the Balance section, you will see your available PayPal balance. Click on Withdraw Funds next to your balance. 4. Select the withdrawal method you prefer. You can choose to transfer funds to your linked bank account, debit card, or credit card. 5. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and follow the instructions provided to complete the withdrawal process. Finally, review the details of the withdrawal and confirm the transaction. Once all of this is done, you will receive a notification that will show that your money has been sent to your bank account or card. It's important to note that PayPal may have specific withdrawal limits, fees, and processing times for different withdrawal methods, so be sure to review this information before initiating a withdrawal. Well, this is the end of this video. And if you found it helpful, then don't forget to give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fintech videos such as this one.